Hi guys, Toyota RAV4 has two options how to open the gas tank door, mechanical and electric. In this case you will see a small button underneath the steering wheel on the left. This one is electric, so when you press this button the gas tank opens. There is also mechanical option. In this case you will see a lever here which you have to pull. So I will press the button. The door is now open. And now we can fuel our vehicle. After you're done fueling, close the lid until you hear one click, and now you can close the cover.